In this video, I'm going to show you how to install LatexDiff on Mac. So first of all, you need to open your terminal. Next, we are going to install perl. So here you need to have brew already installed on your system. In case if you don't have it, you can refer to the link in the description on how to install brew on Mac. So in the first step, I'm installing perl on my system. So now perl is installed on the system. Next step, we are going to install LatexDiff. So now LatexDiff is ready to be used on the system. Thank you very much for watching.